Alright, so you see how you're kicking around? So you're just gonna lean it. Lean back. See, you got the first. Lean back, lean back.
Oh no.
It's all just kind of. It's. There's a big bump up.
That's fine.
Just go like that. There you go. That's all it is. That's the smooth hand motion. Okay, stay low. Stay low, stay low. That's all, just feather yourself down like that. Rotate back the other way. There you go. Rotate. Lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back. Stay back. Stay back, stay back. There you go. Try to get the hang of it that way. Rotate the other way.
That would hurt.